The problem of hair loss affects many of us. It may have genetic or hormonal reasons, diseases, or simply due to aging. But is regrowth possible? Yes, and appropriate treatment can stop hair loss and even cause regrowing. That's why we developed Hair Biotic trichological treatment for hair prone to falling out.
The treatment is intended for both women and men. Thanks to the combination of innovative active ingredients, the serum effectively prevents hair loss and positively influences their growth. Procapil has positive effect on proper anchoring of the hair in the hair papilla, thanks to which hair becomes more resistant to falling out. The serum improves microcirculation in the scalp, increasing the blood flow and nourishment of the roots. It reduces the adverse effect that hormones have on hair. Trichological stimulates regeneration of hair cells and production of keratin, accelerating hair growth and significantly reducing hair loss.
Use the treatment as follows. First, wash the hair with Hair Biotic anti-hair loss shampoo. Next, use the serum on washed, damp or dry hair. Apply the contents of the ampoule directly to the scalp. Please pay attention to the convenient ampoule shape, enabling precise dosing.
After application, a few minutes massage is recommended to stimulate blood circulation and facilitate the absorption of active ingredients. Do not rinse. The serum does not leave a greasy film on the scalp. Use minimum 3 ampoules a week. The first effects can be visible after a month, but the full treatment lasts for 8 weeks.
After the treatment is finished, use Hair Biotic wrap-on conditioner. Apply it on the scalp after washing the hair using a convenient mini spray, enabling precise application.
Also, in this case, it is recommended to perform a few minutes massage with your fingertips and leave the product on the hair and skin. It's for everyday use.
The treatment guarantees high effectiveness. The effect has been confirmed by independent laboratories with 2 types of tests.
Application tests were carried out on a group of probants, and 91% of them confirmed hair strengthening, 77% confirmed hair thickening, and as much as 95% confirmed a significant improvement in the appearance and condition of the hair. The effects were also measured with the Aramo SG-ASG 200F apparatus before starting use, after 4 weeks and after 8 weeks. After 56 days of regular application, hair density increased by 19% and hair thickness by 12% comparing to the beginning of treatment.
The result is visible, measured and confirmed.